Scientific evidence points to prokaryotic cells as having evolved first. These prokaryotic cells were a precursor to eukaryotic cells. The distinguishing feature of eukaryotic cells is the nucleus, so the likely first step in evolution was the creation of the nucleus. A portion of the plasma membrane folded into the inside of the cell to create a nucleus surrounding the DNA. This may have been a random variation of cells at the time, but it created a benefit for the cell. This advantage was selected for by natural selection, and soon simple eukaryotic cell had nuclei. The second step was likely the evolution of an endomembrane system. More plasma membrane folded into the cell and created many membrane-bound compartments. These again created an advantage by increasing efficiency of transport in the cell. Again, natural selection results in the evolution of the endomembrane system. The third and fourth steps help explain the acquisition of mitochondria and chloroplasts, respectively. The endosymbiosis theory states that these organelles began as small prokaryotic cells that got engulfed by early eukaryotic cells. The prefix endo means inside, sym means together, and bio means life. Mitochondria and chloroplasts have many similarities with bacterial cells that support this theory. They are all small in size, have multiple membranes, contain circular DNA, and can produce their own proteins and ribosomes. The third step in the evolution of modern eukaryotic cells is the swallowing of a bacteria similar to a mitochondria. The presence of this small cell allows the bigger cells to be better at making ATP and energy. This again provides an advantage. Natural selection selects for keeping the mitochondria in the cell. It is believed that mitochondria were the first engulfed, as both plant and animal cells have mitochondria. A lineage of these cells would lead to the modern-day animal cell and fungi. Then, sometime later, another engulfing event occurred. This last step in the evolution of modern-day eukaryotic cells. A eukaryotic cell with a mitochondria already engulfed a prokaryotic bacteria that could do photosynthesis like a chloroplast. The smaller cell provided a new advantage to the bigger cell, allowing it to make its own food. Natural selection led to the evolution of chloroplasts. A lineage of these cells leads to the modern-day plant cell, and some protists like algae.